I decided to quit the bank 2 months ago to go full-time as a loan signing agent. I have doubled my income. I am receiving checks daily like these that I'm actually about to go put into the bank. And I'm just so happy for everything Mark has done with the loan signing system. Hi, I'm Sara with Reed Remote Notary, LLC here in Camdenton, Missouri. Before the loan signing system, I actually was a universal banker here at a local bank in mid-Missouri, working 40 plus hours a week, including Saturdays, making only $13 an hour. A little crazy. But that being said, I'm also a mom of 2 boys, one who is special needs, nonverbal autistic to be specific, and he needs constant supervision. So my husband was actually staying home and I was being the breadwinner. Even though I was the breadwinner, we were barely making it, paying bills paycheck to paycheck, like most of you guys, I'm sure. Well, one evening I happened to be scrolling through TikTok and happened upon one of Mark's videos where he explains the breakdown of loan signings and what you could potentially make. I was so intrigued that I spent the last 3 hours before I went to bed literally binge watching every single one of the loan signing system videos and Mark, because he is just amazing. I honestly wasn't sure if I wanted to make the leap, but I did. I paid for the course and I will never regret it. It is the biggest decision and the best decision I made in my entire life. Not only is there training from start to finish on how to be a loan signing agent, there's mock signings, they have continued training, amazing community, and the loan signing system teaches you how to run your business as an entrepreneur, not an employee. I cannot talk any more highly about Mark. He is amazing, his team is amazing, and the loan signing system has completely and utterly changed my life. At the bank, I was making maybe $2K a month. I decided to quit the bank 2 months ago and decided to go full time as a loan signing agent after taking Mark's course. I have doubled my income. I now make roughly $4K a month, only being 2 months into this journey, thanks to the loan signing system and Mark. And it just goes up from here. I am receiving checks daily like these that I'm actually about to go put into the bank. And I'm just so happy for everything Mark has done with the loan signing system. It has changed my family. It has changed the people around me. It has helped so many people. If you guys are on the fence about this, I wouldn't be. It is completely and utterly worth the money. Mark is amazing. The community is amazing. The training is top notch. And we just have a lot of fun as well as learn. So guys, I can't talk any more highly about the loan signing system. Thank you so much, Mark, for everything you do for us, and let's go!